Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a wall art decor haul video, I guess I can call it. I don't really know. I've just been getting a lot of different art pieces for my wall and I kind of wanted to just share them with you guys because why not? I am actually moving in August, so I'm going to be obviously moving all of my wall art to my new place, so you guys are definitely going to see a lot more like home decor videos, but I do kind of want to still share a lot of the pieces that I've picked up recently because I have quite a few pieces. So the first pieces are actually right above my head right here. They're from Displate. They're actually, I guess I can take them down from my wall right now so I can show you guys. But before I do that, so you guys can kind of see what it looks like, I have a few Displate art pieces in my living room, my Rihanna. So you guys have definitely seen some before, so I decided to go back and pick up some more pieces. But basically, the really cool part about this is that you don't have to like ruin your walls. It's actually a magnet. So you take the magnet and you just press it right to the wall and you want to hold it for like 20 seconds. And then you just stick your Displate, which is the metal, and it just sticks right to the wall. I guess I will go get them so you guys can see them. The first one that I got, or that I'm showing you guys, is this one. I love to have quotes. They're just like good little reminders. Like if you're having a bad day and you accidentally just read something on your wall, it's like good inspiration. This one says, when you love what you have everything you need. And it has like graffiti print. And then I got just a marble plate just because I thought it looked cool. I got this one. It says go after dreams, not people. The last one I got was this one. This is probably my favorite one that I got. It says don't be afraid to fail, be afraid not to try. So yeah, that's all of these from Displate. Now I'm gonna go hang these back on the wall and then we'll move on to the next one. So actually when I move, I'm going to be doing like a DIY wall art gallery video, but I did get my picture frames, so like these black picture frames. I got them from homelava.com, so you're not going to see like every single picture frame that I got because I am gonna save that for another video. But if you're wondering where I got the black frames, they're from homelava.com. But what I will show you guys is some prints that I actually got. I've been like obsessed with like print websites, but one of my favorite print websites is actually, I hope I'm pronouncing it right because they're not actually from the US, but it's Desenio.com. They have a lot of really nice prints and they're not very expensive. The ones that I got range from like $7 to $19. So I got quite a few prints from here. So yeah, they came in like this little rolled up thing. I'm really good at describing things. I got this palm tree. I think this was I don't know. I think it was like 8 by 12, I believe. No, I'm wrong. But I got this palm tree, which I haven't hung on my wall yet because I am going to use these big prints in my DIY video, but I'm saving that for the new wall that I'm gonna have. And then I got this really cool picture. It's like this girl and she has like pink like neon. I don't know how to explain it. I just thought it looked cool. I really like black, white, and pink together, so that's kind of like the theme that I was going for. And then the last like bigger print that I got says dream on dreamer. Then there are some more prints behind me that you can't really see, but I am going to talk about them. I got one, it says love and it's like a neon sign. And then I got a lion, and then I also got one that says I love you. And my favorite one that I got is a popsicle. It's like a pink popsicle. Then I got a quote and it says, it all begins and ends in your mind. What you give power to has power over you if you allow it. Sorry, I couldn't really like read it from this far. But yeah, I got that quote and I don't know, I just really liked how all the picture frames lined up and it kind of matched. But for the last few items that I just recently got, they are on my wall. Obviously, I talked about my neon sign that's above my bed. It's like a heart melting and it says Amor on it. But I was so obsessed with it that I decided to get another one for my living room. So I'll have like a little video showing what that looks like, but it says the world is yours and it's just right above my TV. I don't know where it's going to go in my new apartment, but it looks dope. So I got those. Again, those are from aoos.com. I don't know actually how to pronounce it like out loud. So yeah, I'll have the link down below from where I got my neon signs. Again, I said it in my last video, the prices for these neon signs are so much better than like any other neon sign that I've ever came across. It's my favorite. And I'm probably gonna get more because I just love them. But yeah, that's it for this video. Make sure to follow me on all my social media links. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!